Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and the first thing I'd like to share with you is this section about phone. Whenever you will be able to update your device, update the software, you will see the notification here. So for sure you will not miss it. It will look kind of similar like here in the System Apps Updater. Let me enter about phone, and basically if you want to check any software updates, you have to simply tap on MIUI version. As you can see, your device will check if you are able to download anything. You can just tap on check for updates, but in my case I have no updates available. If you will be able to update your device will of course show you the newest update which you can download, and after tapping on download your device will simply install it and apply. So basically this is it. This is how to check for the software updates in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.